Alright tutors, this video is how to use the whiteboard. Once your whiteboard loads, you're going to be prompted to adjust your microphone settings. So this is Adobe Flash player settings. Once this comes up, you're going to click and remember, and then close. From here, you're going to save your settings, and then hide. If you want to access your settings again, you'll click the toolbox. Okay. When the class begins, you'll see your student on the right hand side, and you can see here I am tutor 1P and my student is Mandeep. So these icons on the right are student user access controls. We have the webcam, the audio, and the pencil is to access the whiteboard. Right now they have the no sign on them, so they are unavailable. To make the audio available for the student, you'll click the audio icon. And then to give students access to the whiteboard, you'll click the pencil. And now the student has access to write on the whiteboard. So you're authorized to give students controls of the audio and the pencil for the whiteboard. The webcam feature will not be used. So the audio icon here can your mic. You can see here that your webcam is disabled, so students cannot view you. And you always want to make sure that your webcam is disabled. When you're ready to start the class, you're going to welcome the student to the class.
Yeah.
Here's a view from the student's control screen. This is the raise hand icon. First, show them that they can raise their hand when they click the icon. Their hand is raised, and you can see here that they have raised their hand. You can acknowledge it here, or here, acknowledge that their hand has been raised. The first thing you're going to do is ask them if they can hear you. So, Mandeep, can you hear me? Okay, great. Then you'll want to give them access to the whiteboard by clicking the whiteboard icon next to their name. Now the student has access to use the whiteboard controls. Then you will ask the student if they would like to use the mic or if they would like to type. So Mandeep, would you like to use the mic or would you like to communicate through typing? So because Mandeep will prefer typing, we will keep the audio control disabled. If the student wants to speak, then make sure to enable the audio by clicking that. Okay, now we're going to go over the whiteboard tools on the left-hand side. First, to create a new whiteboard, you will click the plus add new tab, and that creates a new whiteboard. This is the selection tool. The pointer tool allows you to point to different things on the whiteboard. The freehand tool allows you to draw or write. The text tool allows you to type. We have shapes. We have a rectangle tool, circle or ellipse. You can create lines, triangles, and you can make a grid. In case you need a few more minutes to wrap up the session, you can click the timer at the right hand corner and extend for an extra 5 minutes. The screen sharing function is for sharing your screen with a student, but this is a functionality that you will not be using. The media player will allow you to import any videos by pasting a video link, and you can play videos
Alright,
for the
welcome
student.
tutors. This is a video on how to confirm a...
To increase the size of the screen, you can click the maximize button, This is the poll feature to ask a question to the class. And you can click, here are your answer choices. To create the poll, you can save and publish it. And the student will be prompted to answer yes or no. And you can show the data in different ways.